So today I'm going to be cleaning the throttle body for the 2017 Toyota Corolla. This also applies for the 2014 to 2019 Corolla. And I'll be using this throttle body and air intake cleaner. All we need to do is actually access the throttle body, and it's going to be a lot easier on this one because it's right in the front. So let's get close. So right over here, what I'm going to do first is actually take out the plastic cover for the engine. And all you need to do is just pull it out because it's connected through some rubber clips here, here, and here. So these little rubber clips. Now that it's taken off, this section here is the throttle body. As you can see there, it's connected from the air intake box. And what we need to do is actually take off the main tube. That way we can actually access the throttle body and clean off the butterfly mechanism using a wipe and this cleaner. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take a screwdriver and just take off the main pipe, and it's going to be this here, and then there's going to be a clamp on this side. So let me get real close so you guys can see. And what we need to do here is remove this clamp. There's a Phillips here, and that'll loosen up the main clamp, and we're going to loosen both sides. Alright, and once that's loose, and it's just going to be as simple as pulling out the tube. So once this is out, we're just going to move that out of the way. You just needed actually the two main tubes, and now we have access to the main throttle body. Let's go ahead and come off to the other side and take a look at it. Alright, so right over here is the throttle body. As you can see, we've taken everything out, and all we need to do is just get a rag and start wiping around. So what I have here is throttle body cleaner from CRC, and now we're ready to clean it out. We're going to get a rag and start wiping. So I have this rag here. I'm just going to spray it down with some cleaner. And I'm not going to spray it directly. I'm just going to wipe it down through the rag. What I'm going to do is actually reach along this butterfly mechanism here that I'm pressing. You can see it moving out, and I'm just going to wipe along the edge, make sure I get all the debris I can. You can see all the little dirt that I'm pulling off the edge, that little brown thing there. There's quite a bit, so I'm going to keep cleaning. Alright, once we're done, I'm just going to actually put the tube back. So it's as simple as connecting everything back on. Alright, I just need to put all the clamps back on. So just this one near the air box. Looks like that's on tight. And then we have this one here. All right, so that pretty much concludes me cleaning the throttle body on this 2017 Toyota Corolla. It's pretty much as simple as taking out this pipe right here, using this electric screwdriver to take out this bolt. Loosens the main clamp, same thing here. Then we just slide the tube out, and then you have really easy access to the main throttle body unit there. After that, you just take a rag, wipe it with some throttle body cleaner, and it should just free off some horsepower, reduce some friction from that butterfly mechanism, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that was an easy, simple DIY for those of you thinking about doing it yourself.